So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox and talk about and review, kind of just do a whole video on this Snaptane P30 foldable GPS drone. We're gonna unbox it right now so you can see what comes in the box. Then we're gonna charge it up. We're gonna talk about the specs and then we're gonna go fly it. And then I might do a range test in a different video, we'll see. But in this video, let's just get into the unboxing and you'll see what this video entails. Looks like it comes with a pretty nice case. So what this is competing against is DJI's smaller drone, the one that weighs 249 grams. This drone is competing against that one because this is also 249 grams, really light, which is really good not to get in trouble while you're flying. Start out with the controller. It's built very well, to be honest with you. Same feature as the DJI drones, which is nice. We'll continue with that. It also has your knobs on the bottom. They screw in just the same as DJI. Cannot wait to fly this thing. We're gonna do it in this video, so don't go anywhere. I think this is the battery. It only comes with one, I think. Unfortunately, it only comes with one battery. But you can charge it USB-C, straight USB-C. That's really nice. All right, and I'm guessing this is the charger. Yep, USB-C by USB type A. And here's the drone. As I said, 249 grams, very light. I have flown and used DJI's 249 gram drone. So as you see, a direct competitor from DJI Mini has the 249. They're promoting it really hard. It's a big deal, so you could fly without needing a license or permit in certain locations. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna show you this drone since we've unboxed it. I'm gonna show you how it unfolds, just like the Mavic Mini. Well, it's a little different. The Mavic Mini folds under, this one folds out like this. So that's how it looks with the battery in it. It's super light. This is a really light drone. With the battery, it weighs a little more, feels a little more compact. As you see, it's dead as a doornail, but those lights will give you your battery status. It's cool, you can just plug it in USB-C. Honestly, you never have to take the battery out again if you just plan on using one battery. All right, so in here, you get a little bit of instructions, which I may need. I'm used to DJI drones, definitely not these drones. It comes with extra propellers, as you see. Extra propellers and extra knobs in case you happen to lose these knobs. It comes with extra ones. It also comes with extra screws and it comes with a screwdriver. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go over the specs, tell you everything about what I know, and then we're actually gonna test it out and see if it's all true. Right now, I know that this camera is a 4K camera. I don't know if it's 4K 30, 4K 60, have no idea. My guess is 4K 24. You cannot move the camera up and down, or at least it's not moving up and down right now. Once it's on, it may have a motor that kicks on, I'm not really sure. But it does shoot 4K, we're gonna test that out and see. Also, the range on this thing with the controller is 2,600 feet. If you just use your phone, it's 1,400 feet, so not very far. The DJI drone goes a lot further than that, way further. I actually did a range test with the Mini. If you want to check it out, I will leave it in the description. This one, I will probably do a range test after this video. Also, this drone, even though it's not DJI, it does have GPS, which is cool, so it should be easier to fly. You don't have to worry about it just flying away on you. It has GPS, which is really nice. So it will sit there and hover, hopefully. Like I said, I'm gonna go test all these claims. Also, the last thing is it uses 5G Wi-Fi to get its transmission signal. So if you're using just your phone to fly this thing, make sure it has 5G Wi-Fi. If it don't, it will not work. It's super lightweight, which it definitely is that. With that, that's all there is. That's all the specs. There's hardly no specs on the website. It says 4K, 20 minutes of battery life. I do want to mention that. I do not know how long it takes to charge. Whenever I take it outside to fly it, I will let you know how long it took to charge the battery. I also got to charge the controller, so I will let you guys know how all that works and how all that goes. Until then, let's get this thing charged up and I'll see you outside. All right, so it took an hour and a half to get this fully charged, this battery. It was all the way dead, as you've seen in the earlier clip. This must have already been full because it took like 10 minutes. Did not take long at all. So now we're gonna try to fly it. I get my phone, put it in here. I am gonna screen record on my phone so you guys can see. I did download the app already. The app that you need is called Snaptane Drone is the name of the app. Okay, so now that we have the phone in here, I'm gonna turn everything on and we're gonna see how this is gonna go. First of all, you turn everything on just like the DJI. Hit it once, hold it down the second try. Just trying to find the drone, so I'm gonna turn the drone on. We are kind of under a tree, so it may take a whole second to get GPS, but we will see. Obviously, we'll move from the tree when we lift it off. Okay, so as you see, it's connected. I don't know if it just took a little while or I had to get from the tree, but it says horizontal calibration. turn on drone and set down on a level surface. As you see, I'm in grass, but I'm gonna do what it says to do. It says ready to fly. Status, SD card needs formatting. So I'm gonna go ahead and format the SD card, formatting it right now. It's really cool that it shows the drone battery, the controller battery, and how many GPS we have up there. All right, so now I'm gonna try to take it off. As you see, I have the iPhone 15 Pro, all my settings that you probably can see, I cannot see, which really sucks. So I don't know if I'm about to land it or take it off. It says, please confirm return. So that was the wrong button. Please unlock to take off. Here, oh, that went fast. It just hit me in the hand. Did y'all see that? I hope you did. Okay, so as you see here, footage looks like trash. It don't have a gimbal on there like a DJI does. It's all sideways and crooked. Let's see what happens if I try to bring the photo. Oh, it does go down. But as you see, the horizontal horizon looks terrible. But maybe it'll fix itself. Let me try to fly somewhere. As you see on the screen, you see me going here. Definitely not a DJI. This is absolutely different. It's not terrible. Great for a kid to practice and learn, but as you see, you're gonna have to fly extra smooth. The DJIs, you could actually see where you're going. With this one, there's a lag. As you see, when I hit this, it takes a whole about a half a second for you to actually see what's going on. I'm gonna stop recording on the drone to see if I'm in 4K, 1080, see where I'm at. Image, says I'm shooting 4K, 20 frames per second. Holy cow, let me go to 2.7K, 30 frames a second. I guess it does do 4K, but it's only 20 frames. That ain't good. And it cropped in a little bit. Wow, or no, I'm cropping it in, I'm sorry. That's what this does, you could zoom in. So 2.7K is not cropped in. So as you see, it's kind of hard to get your frame because everything is moving extremely fast whenever you hit it. But it is a drone, it does fly stable. But honestly, you have to look at it when you fly because on here, it's really hard to tell what's going on. It does not have a gimbal on the camera. Really terrible. As you see, that's us shooting this video right now. Let me see if I can put it in sports mode. Now I'm in sports mode and it looks like it got slower. Oh, there it goes. The speed is 7 miles an hour. All right, so I'm gonna bring it down so you guys could see what it looks like hovering. Dude, it comes down so slow. It's coming down at 0.2 miles an hour. Hey, at least it comes down. So I'm putting it in camera mode. So as you see, there is some B-roll of the drone. So you guys can see everything on my phone here. This is not a great experience at all. So I'm gonna put it back in normal mode and it's honestly just terrible. I am now 83 feet in the air, so I don't think I'm gonna hit any power lines, but as you see, it'd be close to impossible to get a smooth shot. Like I said, I think this would be good for a kid to have to play with in the yard, but honestly, for $50 more, you can get a DJI that will actually fly exactly the same, shoot way better quality footage. I honestly would not purchase this drone. So with that, I'm gonna try to land this drone, and that's all I have to say in this video. I do appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video.